Welcome to an in-depth look at JIRA, a powerful tool revolutionizing project management for teams worldwide. JIRA is designed to support diverse teams, from software development to marketing, enabling them to plan, track, and release exceptional products. At its core, JIRA helps teams manage work efficiently, providing a centralized platform for all project-related activities. One of JIRA's fundamental features is its robust issue tracking system, allowing users to create, assign, and prioritize tasks, bugs, and user stories. These issues are the building blocks of any project, ensuring every piece of work is accounted for and progressed. JIRA's boards, including Scrum and Kanban, offer visual representations of your team's workflow, making it easy to see what's in progress, what's next, and what's completed. Scrum boards are ideal for iterative development, helping teams manage sprints and daily stand-ups effectively. Kanban boards, on the other hand, are perfect for continuous flow, visualizing work as it moves through different stages. The backlog feature allows teams to prioritize and organize future work, ensuring that the most valuable tasks are always at the forefront. This dynamic list can be easily reordered and refined, adapting to changing project requirements and business priorities. JIRA's extensive customization options mean it can be tailored to fit any team's unique workflow and processes. From custom fields to unique workflows, JIRA adapts to you, not the other way around. Integration capabilities are another key strength, allowing JIRA to connect seamlessly with hundreds of other tools. This creates a unified ecosystem for project management, development, and collaboration. For project managers, JIRA provides comprehensive reporting and analytics, offering insights into team performance and project progress. These reports help identify bottlenecks, track velocity, and make data-driven decisions to keep projects on track. Software developers benefit from JIRA's deep integration with development tools, streamlining code management and deployment. It links directly to source code, pull requests, and build statuses, providing a complete view of the development lifecycle. Teams using agile methodologies find JIRA indispensable for implementing Scrum, Kanban, and other agile frameworks. Its features are built to support agile principles, fostering adaptability and continuous improvement. JIRA enhances collaboration by providing a central hub for communication and information sharing. Team members can comment on issues, share files, and receive real-time updates, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Improving project planning is made easier with JIRA's structured approach to task breakdown and dependency management. It allows for detailed planning, from high-level epics down to individual subtasks, providing clarity at every level. Streamlining workflows is a significant benefit as JIRA automates routine tasks and guides users through defined processes. This reduces manual effort and ensures consistency across all projects, leading to greater efficiency. JIRA's versatility makes it suitable for various teams and methodologies, from traditional waterfall to highly iterative agile approaches. Its extensive features, customization options, and integration capabilities make it a valuable asset for any organization. By enhancing collaboration, improving project planning, and streamlining workflows, JIRA empowers teams to achieve their goals more effectively. Discover how JIRA can transform your project management and drive success for your team.